Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today again I'm doing a general reading. Now today before I start, if possible, today in the morning, if you have the things, if you don't have the things, then by evening or in the afternoon, whenever you're free, do this. Pick up a nice orange, green colored sweet lime, what we call it as, and pick up yellow candle or a white candle. Make a small hole in the center of the sweet lime and sprinkle in it a little bit of cinnamon and keep the candle, fix the candle exactly in the center and burn it. Now when you're burning this, you should, call on the gods and the angels to help you in becoming successful, to help you into pursuing your career, be it business or be it working under someone, to flourish and to grow and to be very, very strong and powerful. Today, if possible, wear something with light green color so that you are getting healed and you are able to get the right energies and work with the right elements today. Basically, I have still not opened your cards, but I just felt I should say this, and I felt you need to do this also today. Morning, have a bath with just Himalayan salt, or even plain bath is okay, but chant 108 times Om Gam Ganapati Namaha, followed by Shreem 108 times. And as I said, if you have the orange with the white candle, then do it, or else by evening or by afternoon, pick it up from the market and then you do it, and I'm sure something good is going to come your way. Now let's see what the cards have come. I'm opening the Lenormand cards today. Again, that's a beautiful combo of a dog and labyrinth. Okay, now dog can be loyalty, friendship. Dog can be, that things will go well today. You can be, you can be rest assured that everything will fall in place the way you want. You can trust your day to day to be good. You can trust that communication will happen the way you want, things will go the way you want, and you will be in command of the situation that is happening around, or you will be able to plan your day properly. You might be wondering, but the labyrinth has come, because labyrinth is, uh, when things start falling in place, that is where you just go haywire. But sometimes a labyrinth will actually take you towards the goal or the destination you need. Maybe it is a puzzle, maybe it is a problem, but if you go with it, if you follow it, if you face the challenges and if you face the obstacles, then whatever is keeping you from growing is also going to help you in grow. But here, if you see, I see a lot of people. So if there is something in work which needs teamwork, then I would suggest go with that and do the teamwork. Don't try to do things alone, so that you're not stuck and you're able to finish your work with divided work and with more helping hands for you. That ways you will be able to finish your work very, very soon. And here the dog is without the leash, but it is having the leash in its mouth. The same way, stretch your hands forward or move one step forward and ask for the help. Ask for the what do I say? Ask for the desired, I can say, guidance from your seniors, or tell your juniors this is what you want, and you want them to, help you in it. And I'm sure you're going to be successful in what you want. Now, I'm just going to pull a card from Miracles now, what it talks. I can change my patterns when I change my mind about them. So it's exactly what these cards are also talking. So just go with the change. Try to assess the situation. If you need the help, ask for the help. And I'm sure you're going to get the help, and you're going to be happy that you took the help, you asked for the help, and things went the way you wanted. And you will have a beautiful, beautiful, and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.